In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Matic Polygon wallet address in Trust Wallet, which is simpler than you might think. Let's dive into it and explore the steps together. First and foremost, open your Trust Wallet app. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed by a user-friendly interface showcasing a variety of features. Trust Wallet allows you to seamlessly send, swap, and sell cryptocurrencies. You also have an overview of tokens within your wallet. Now, to get started with adding Matic, direct your attention to the search icon. It usually looks like a magnifying glass and is an essential tool for navigating through your wallet's options. Go ahead and click on the search icon, then type in Matic. You'll be presented with a list of different options related to Polygon's native token. Your task here is to select the correct option for Matic. Once you've done that, you'll need to enable this option. Enabling it is crucial because it allows your wallet to recognize and display Matic on your main page. This step essentially integrates Matic into your wallet's interface, making it readily accessible at any time. Now that the Matic token is visible on your homepage, let's explore its features. By tapping on the newly added Matic token, you'll see several options such as send, receive, and swap. These features give you the flexibility to manage your Matic in various ways. If your goal is to receive Matic, focus on the Receive option. Tap on Receive and you'll be presented with a QR code and a unique wallet address. This address is your key to receiving Matic. Think of it as your digital address that others can use to send you Matic tokens. It's essential to copy this address accurately. You can do that directly within the app. Whenever you need to receive Matic, whether it's from a transaction, a friend, or another wallet, you will use this very same address. It acts as a consistent and secure endpoint for all your Matic transactions. And there you have it. Adding your Matic Polygon wallet address to Trust Wallet is straightforward once you know the steps. This addition not only broadens the scope of your crypto portfolio, but also enhances your ability to manage tokens with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and happy trading. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.